Let's do our Trader Blitz now. First up, PERKINELMER hitting a new all-time high today. Joe, you own it.
Yeah, I do, and I'm going to continue to own this stock. It's got the technical momentum behind it. It's got the fundamental momentum behind it. Oh, this company's growing organically at a 10% rate, and the acquisition of a German medical laboratory last year for $1.7 billion. That's accelerating the revenue growth as well.
All right, better late than never, maybe. Surratt, PayPal initiated a buy at Berenberg. Stock's up 12% in a month. You own it?
We do own it. It's a great company. Hard to buy at these levels, but it's really firing on all cylinders. Business, consumer, payments, that's the place to be.
Doc, tell me about PVH, right?
These guys are all about brands and not about bricks and mortar as much, Judge. So that's one of the reasons we've liked it over time, because people love brands. Today it's kind of suffering.
It's the guidance, right?
Yeah, it's the guidance. I mean, the earnings weren't bad. In fact, that was pretty positive, but the guidance was what's killing them. Stock's down 8.5% at mid-session. I think this is one you wait on, give it the 2-day rule, and then maybe jump back in.
We're talking the same thing, Pete, with Salesforce? Guidance?
Yes, almost identical. Yeah, they had a great earnings report, but the guidance, that was the issue. But when you look at what they did in the quarter, in May they made another acquisition, the biggest in their entire history. So because of that, don't bet against Mark Benioff. This stock was down $6 earlier. Now it's down a couple of dollars. I think it actually finishes in the green by the end of the day. I own calls. I think this goes higher. Every analyst on the street, it seems today, raised their price target. So I think it's a great name to look at.
Yeah, Dreamforce coming up in the not-too-distant future,
Dreamforce,
right?
Yep, absolutely. That's a big focus.
Really the catalyst for the stock.
Yep.
All right. Emerging markets under pressure again today. You're watching that closely, Aaron?
Yeah, so the emerging market index, EEM, is down 2.2% right now. This is really being driven off the back of Argentina. The currency is being devalued by about 17% today. In addition to that, you're seeing copper under pressure. Again, concerns about the China trade war. So we're seeing the whole complex really come under pressure today with some pretty significant idiosyncratic shocks.
Okay.
Judge, I have some of that EEM, so luckily I'm in calls, not the EEM itself. But yeah, when the Argentina pushed the rates to 60% on their basically borrowing, the lending rates and things like that in order to be able to borrow money, that's telling you something really bad is happening.